Dear students, let's discuss use of possessive adjectives and pronouns. I am Rudresh Ulali, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Sri C.C. Hebbar Government First Aid College, Golsangi. Possessive adjectives ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕಲಿಯುವಾಗ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳಿದಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Adjectives are words that describe nouns or pronouns. Adjectives tell which, how many, or what kind. Adjectives come in front of nouns or after. So this is the definition, common definition of adjective. An adjective is a word which is used before noun or pronoun, or sometimes used after also. And this adjective describes nouns. They describe, they modify. They give information regarding which, how many, and what kind. ಯಾವುದು, ಯಾವ ಥರದ್ದು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಈ ಮುಂತಾದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನ ಕೊಡುವ ಅಥವಾ ಮುಂತಾದ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನ ವಿವರಿಸುವ ಪದವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಗೆ ನಾಮ ವಿಶೇಷಣ ಅಂತ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಮೈ ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನುವಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನೌನ್. ಮೈ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಡಿನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಟು whom the book belongs. So the word my is an adjective because it is used before noun and it gives more information about noun. It modifies noun. Or you can take another example, 6 books. How many books? 6 books. The word 6 gives information regarding the number of books. It modifies the noun. So it is an adjective. Or you can say red roses. What kind of rose? Red rose. So the word red is an adjective because it describes noun. Like that, any word that describes or that modifies a noun is called an adjective. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಮ ವಿಶೇಷಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾಮಪದದ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಂತರ ಬರುವ, ನಾಮಪದವನ್ನು ವಿವರಿಸುವ, ವರ್ಣಿಸುವ, ನಾಮಪದದ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡುವ ಪದವನ್ನು ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. And the word pronoun, this also easy concept. You already might have studied it. You know it already. Pronoun is a word that is used before noun, that takes place of noun, that is used instead of noun, that is used in the place of noun, as I said. Suma is here. The word Suma is a noun. Instead of Suma, I can say she is here. And the word she is pronoun because that is used in the place of noun. So pronouns are used in the place of noun. To avoid repetition of a noun, we use pronoun. For example, Raju is a good boy. Raju goes to school every day. Raju studies science. So here, to avoid the repetition of the word Raju, I can say Raju is a good boy. He goes to college every day. He studies science. The word he is a pronoun. Like that, he, I, we, you, he, she, it. These are pronouns. Usually we call them nominatives, or we call them subjective pronouns because they are used as subject in the sentences. Like that, me, my, mine, we, our, us, he, his, him, she, her, hers, they, them, their, theirs, it, its. These are the types of pronouns. So in our syllabus or in this video, we are going to discuss possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. My, our, your, his, her, their, its are possessive adjectives. And mine, yours, ours, his, hers, its, theirs, these are possessive pronouns. So let us discuss them with examples. We use possessives to express connection, often the fact that someone has something or that something belongs to someone. ನಾವು ಈ ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕುರಿತು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸ್ತೇವೆ. Often the fact that someone has something, ಯಾರೋ ಏನನ್ನೋ ಹೊಂದಿರೋದನ್ನ ಕುರಿತು ಸೂಚಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ವನ್, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಸೂಚಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಬಿಲಾಂಗಿಂಗ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಓನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ತೇವೆ. You can see an example here. My diary. My diary is the diary belongs to me. My diary, the word my indicates that diary belongs to me. The possessive form of a noun has same meaning also. For example, Raju's diary. Whose diary? Raju's diary. It's a possessive form of a noun. Possessive form of pronoun is my, or his, or your, her. So these are possessive pronouns, possessive adjectives. So possessive, the word possessive says belongingness, ownership of something or someone. Remember, in the possessive form of noun, we use apostrophe. Possessive form of noun ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ apostrophe punctuation mark ನ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಲೇಖನ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ apostropheಯನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ Raju's book, Raju's book, Hubli's people, Karnataka's economy. Raju, Hubli, Karnataka are proper nouns. When we want to make those proper noun as possessive form of nouns, Raju's, R-A-J-U, apostrophe is Raju's, Karnataka, Karnatak, apostrophe is Karnataka's, like that. Ram's, India's, that is what is called as possessive form of noun. So here is a comparison between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Look at the table there. My pen, your book, his father, her cell phone, its location, our house, their village. The word my, your, his, her, its, our, their, these are possessive adjectives. And look at here, this side, possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, theirs. So usually possessive adjectives are used before noun. This is my pen. That's okay. But possessive pronouns are used at the end of the sentence. That pen is mine. This is your book. That book is yours. Like that. Possessive pronouns are used at the end of the sentence as objectives in the sentence. Objective case we call that. Possessive pronouns are the words which show the ownership, but they do not appear with noun. But possessive adjectives do. Possessive pronouns are the words. Possessive pronounಗಳು ಅವುಗಳು ಓನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಓನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತವೆ, ಮಾಲೀಕತ್ವವನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ವಿತ್ ನೌನ್. ಅವುಗಳು ನಾಮಪದದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾಮಪದದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಳಸಲ್ಪಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಬುಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಕೆಯಾಗಿರೋದು ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಅಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ನಾಮಪದದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಬಳಕೆಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನೌನ್. My is possessive adjective. The word my, the pronoun my, is used with the noun. So this is possessive adjective. But look at here in this sentence, in this example, that book is mine. Mine is possessive pronoun, but that is not used with the noun here. Noun illide, book ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ is ಇದೆ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ mine ಇದೆ. My book, book is mine. Possessive adjective is used with noun. Possessive pronoun is not used with noun. This is our car. The car is ours. Where is your shirt? Which shirt is yours? This is the distinction between possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives. RCUB BA BSW ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. ಇದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದ ನ್ಯೂ ಹೊರೈಸನ್ ಆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇವು. ಇಮೇಜ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 10 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. Fill in the blanks types of questions. Where is I book? In bracket they have given I. I is a pronoun. I is subjective pronoun. I is used as subject of the sentence. So where is I book? It's not correct. Where is my book? You have to say. Where is my book? And then here is we teacher. We has some other forms. Our, us. So the right answer is here is our teacher. Here is our teacher. She goes to college with her brother. She, her, hers. She goes to college with her brother. Their father works in car factory. Their father works in factory. So remember, when you write there, it should be T-H-E-I-R, there. There are two theirs there in English. One is there, T-H-E-R-E. T-H-E-I-R, sorry, T-H-E-R-E, there. T-H-E-R-E means alli anta. T-H-E-R-E, there. Sometimes it is used as subjective pronoun. For example, there is a house. Dummy word that is actually there. Demonstrative pronoun agi ಬಳಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. There is a house. So in possessive pronoun we use T-H-E-I-R. Sometimes possessive adjective ನಲ್ಲಿ there, possessive pronoun ನಲ್ಲಿ theirs ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? Their father works in a factory. T-H-E-I-R, there. Your laptop is very expensive. So right form is your laptop. Your laptop is very expensive. His favorite hobby is playing chess. His favorite hobby is playing chess. My husband and I want to go to France. My husband and I want to go to France. We want to see its historical monuments. Remember, it's ITS you should write, not IT apostrophe S, because IT apostrophe is contraction form of it is. That is different and this is different. ಪ್ರನೌನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಳಕೆಯಾಗುವಾಗ ನಾವು ITS ಅನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. IT apostrophe S ಅನ್ನೋದು contraction form of I. So here we want to see its historical monument. And the 9th sentence, Arun likes his dog. Arun likes his dog. And the last one, 10th, is its name is Dolly. Again, the right word, it's ITS, just ITS. Its name is Dolly. So this is all about possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Thank you for listening me. And I request you to inform your friends about these videos. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೆಳೆಯರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಜನರಲ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್, ಜನರಲ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿವೆ. ಸೊ share them as much as possible. Thank you once again.